What is wrong in this? Modijee, we are asking what is wrong in this. Can you let us know what is wrong in this? We are having a Nandini brand in front of us. Friends, a very brief and a very concrete press conference we are going to do, and a question which we are asking, that why Modijee and BJP wants to destroy the pride of every state. And the latest target in this is the state of Karnataka. We are posing a question that what is wrong with Karnataka Milk Federation brand Nandini? Why Modijee is against? Why Amit Shah ji is against? Why the member of parliaments of state of Karnataka from BJP are against the Nandini? I am having Nandini in my hand. What is wrong in this? What is wrong in this? Modijee, we are asking what is wrong in this. Can you let us know what is wrong in this? We are having a Nandini brand in front of us. What is wrong in this? You might be having a problem that this word is written in Kannada. Is this the problem, Modijee? Is this the problem, Madam Shobha Karanje ji? Is this the problem, Amit Shah ji? What is the problem in this particular brand? We are asking Modijee, what is wrong in this? I am drinking in front of you. What is wrong in this brand? It's very tasty. Modijee, please taste it. It's very good. Amit Shah ji, please taste it. Member of Parliaments of BJP from Karnataka, please taste this. This is the pride of Karnataka. Why you want to damage and destroy this pride? This bottle is also very tasty. I would request each one of us, please have it. Modijee, next time, today so you are not getting my invitation. Next time you come here, this Nandini brand, you should taste it. This is good. Only problem with you is that, and I know what is the problem. Problem is that is the problem. And that is the reason Modijee is against this. That is the reason Amit Shah ji is against this. That is the reason BJP MPs from the state of Karnataka are against this. I want to ask that why you want to damage the pride of 6.5 crore Karnataka citizens. What is the intention? What you want to achieve? We are asking that you had planned this way. First of all, Amit Shah came here and he told that he is going to bring another brand. A cooperative, what is the mission of cooperative? Cooperative is one for all for one. And you are going to start a competition in cooperative. Why you can't give a helping hand to 1.25 crore people who are directly or indirectly engaged in this particular business? Or Modijee, this is not bad. I am again drinking. I am tempted to drink this. This is not bad. Try it. And if you are listening via my press conference, somebody from BJP give this bottle to him. Modijee, please have, taste it. This is not bad. You are trying to damage the pride of Karnataka by doing this. And intentionally you are doing this. 1.25 crore people directly or indirectly are engaged in this particular business. And I promise you, Modijee, it is a matter of only 1 month and 3 days. On 13th May, we are forming the government here, and I assure that no pride of Karnataka can be touched by anyone. When I say anyone, anyone means anyone. Nobody can decide about the pride of Karnataka sitting in Delhi. I assure, Congress party assures each one of you that we are not going to allow that anyone sitting in Delhi touching the pride of Karnataka. So that is the reason we asked you to have this small press conferences, and we are displaying the great brand which is coming out by hard work of farmers, by hard work of people who are having a business of cattle, a hard work of people who are giving this to us. And I know that each Kannadiga is proud of this. We are not against this, and we will not allow anyone. It is a matter of only 1 month. We will not allow anyone to take this pride from the people of Karnataka. And this is too tasty. You all of you might have tasted this. It's too tasty. Modi ji, एक बार पी के तो देखो. Just have it. शायद विचार बदल जाए. Just have one sip. After that, you might had a different thought process. Just have it. Only problem I can understand that this word is written here, Nandini, in Kannada, and that is might be the problem with the Modijee, Amit Shah ji and BJP MPs from the state of Karnataka. And BJP MPs, I am surprised that all BJP MPs are favoring that. We will not allow this to happen. I am open for questions, first of all on the subject, and after that if you have anything, we may like to answer any questions on this. No? Thank you very much.
आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि मोदी सरकार या जो कर्नाटका की बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट है वो नंदनी को डिस्ट्रॉय करना चाहती है, जो लैंग्वेजेस की अपनी बात करी उस लैंग्वेज को रिमूव करना चाहती है?
I had a very fundamental question that what is wrong in this? What is wrong in this? Is it not tasting well? Is it not fresh? Is it not selling well in the market? Is it not giving pride to everybody who is buying this bottle that I am buying something which is produced by the people of my state? What is the objective? What is the objective? And what is the principle of cooperatives? I am not against any cooperative. But what is the principle of cooperative? One for all for one. And you are starting a competition in cooperative. It means you don't like that this should be written here in Kannada. That is the only objective. You don't want that people of Karnataka should proud to give this milk to the citizens of this great state. That is the objective. Otherwise, what is the objective? Why they are not sharing that objective? And I am surprised. Modijee and Amit Shah might have some agenda. But MPs of Karnataka from BJP is supporting. I can tell each one of them who is supporting this. In 2024, people of Karnataka show them what they mean by that particular support. And in next 1 month, on 13th May, we are going to restore the pride of Karnataka. Nobody can touch. Whomsoever it is, how big it is, we will not allow to touch anyone to touch the pride of Karnataka. See, I am asking a fundamental question. What is wrong in this? You please have it. You please try this. It is good. It is good. After having one sip, you will not ask this question. What is your intention on doing this? What you want to achieve in doing this? Is it not giving good product? Is it not giving good product at a fair value or fair price? Is the people or farmers of the Karnataka who is having cows, buffaloes and other cattle field, are they not doing service to the state of Karnataka? Is it not a previous history which had created this particular brand? What is wrong in this? And why you want, Modiji used to say cooperative. Where is the competitive cooperativism? Cooperative means there should be one for all for one. Yes, you were asking something.
So the BJP says that it has been an open market. They say that several brands like Heritage and many others have been in the market for so long. So why
Because it is associated with the pride of people of Karnataka. Because it is associated with the pride of farmers of Karnataka. Because it is associated with every farmer who owns livestock in the state of Karnataka. Because when you take this bottle in your hand, you feel that somebody in Karnataka, with his hard work, he is maintaining cows, buffaloes, that milk is coming, that milk is processed, some flavor is added, and I am taking sip. I feel proud in that. We will not allow anyone to take that pride or proud from the people of Karnataka. We want them to maintain that. And why Modiji wants to take pride of every state? Why he wants to impose his own ideas to every state? Every state has its own style of thought process. Every state has its own style of or own historical or customs or traditions. Why he want to change? I know the reason. But I just want to conclude here by saying 13th May, Congress is coming back to the power. We are going to form government, and I assure each citizen of Karnataka, all 6.5 crore citizens of Karnataka on behalf of Congress party, that we will not allow anyone, how big he is, to touch the pride of the state of Karnataka.